What is Coil? Where does Coil name come from? What does it stand for? The Coil name has two meanings. First, Coil targets $1, so the price coils and recoils around it. It can go to $50 or $4, but eventually it will coil and recoil itself back to $1. Think of it like a rubber band that can stretch, but always comes back. And Coil does this all on its own. Second meaning of Coil is crypto oil. Oil is the backbone of our current world economy and the us, and most everything in the world currently is in some way tied to oil. The team see Coil as crypto oil. They think Coil will be the backbone of DeFi and the crypto economy, much like oil is the backbone of today. Coil is a perfect hedge asset that every portfolio will desire because it is less correlated to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This makes it a wonderful DeFi collateral asset, a token everyone will want to hold to hedge their risk, and an excellent stable medium of exchange that can replace the need of stable coins. So just as oil is important in the current economy, Coil aka crypto oil will be an important backbone in the new age crypto economy. How Coil able to solve market manipulation? That is a huge problem in crypto, and this is why the team designed Spring Up how they did. Currently in liquidity pools and geysers like Ample, large whales can remove liquidity and pull it without notice. This leads to a lot of manipulation and volatility. This can scare the market and make things very unstable. On top of that, large whales can manipulate Ample to bleed out the smaller investors. So you can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.